softly whispers through the night.
Dreams of you still linger here, like candlelight fading from sight.
I walk alone through empty streets, hearing echoes of your song.
Every step feels just like yesterday, but the road keeps moving on.
Winter wind on your shoulder still feels warm when I remember. In the chill of this December, your smile keeps me alive.
There you're miles apart to mine.
Your name drifts softly through the light.
Oh, the winter wind still carries love divine.
Your laughter plays in the breeze like jazz notes dancing free. The city sleeps, but I still feel your arms around my melody.
The moonlight falls across your face. In every dream I see your grace.
If tomorrow brings the sun, would you still wait for me there?
Seasons fade, but my heart stays the same.
Every note still whispers your name. If the wind take our song tonight,